Hello, everyone. Thanks for tuning in today. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Microsoft Edge mobile app. Reopen all your tabs exactly where you left off. This feature is great for picking up your browsing without losing any open pages. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Edge mobile app on your smartphone. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is the menu icon. Tap on it. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, scroll through the Settings menu until you find the option labeled New Tab Page. Tap on it to proceed. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Continue Browsing Where I Left Off. Finally, choose this option to enable it. From now on, when you open Microsoft Edge, your last browsing session will automatically load, saving you time and effort. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Stay tuned for more helpful guides to improve your browsing experience.